Here's all you'll need to make your own tasty chicken liver pate: garlic, some fresh thyme, small onion, butter, chicken livers of course, a dash of sherry and a dash of cream. The first thing to do is to give your chicken livers a good rinse. Once they've had a rinse, time to get them on your chopping board and get rid of anything that you don't like the look of. Remembering to give your hands a good clean because you've been handling raw meat. Into a pan, melt a good knob of butter, and then it's time to go in with half of your onion chopped. You're going to cook that for around 5 minutes until the onions soften down and become translucent. When your onions have softened down nicely, it's time to go in with a clove of garlic and your thyme leaves. Swirl them around and give them a minute to release the flavours. Next, it's in with your chicken livers. You're going to cook them for 2 or 3 minutes until they're lightly cooked all the way through. When your livers are cooked through, time to go in with a glug of sherry. And just give your sherry a minute to burn off the alcohol. And into there, you're also going with salt and black pepper. Don't put the salt in before you cook your liver, otherwise it'll go very grainy. Put the seasoning in afterwards. So give that a good mix, and then we're going to steam off some of that liquid, and it's time for the blender. When it's cooled down a few minutes, time to get your livers into your food processor or blender, whatever you're using. Give your pan a good scrape because you've got all that taste in there, some lovely flavours. And then into there, about a tablespoon and a half of cream and some butter. Get the lid on and away we go. Once you've got it blended up, it's time to put it in pots. You can just put it in one big pot if you like. I like to put it in ramekins. So fill whatever pot you want, your dish, flatten it out a bit, and then put that in the fridge for an hour just to set for a bit. Once your patty's firmed up in the fridge, it's time to just give it a coating of butter, and that will seal it nicely. If you don't want to use butter, you can just get some cling film and press it down and seal it that way. I just prefer a bit of butter, so when I put it on a cracker or toast, it's already buttered. And there you go, some lovely chicken pate. Best of all, you know what's gone into it. Enjoy!